Frecon is a company founded in 1999. Today, we are an innovative business which focuses on constructions, calculations and documentation. At Frecon, our employees are our most important assets. All our employees are highly professional, creative and committed, and that is exactly why we are able to meet the high demands of our customers. We are able to become part of the customer's own development team, alternatively be part of all stages in a project, from the idea to the final product. We are in ongoing internal as well as external meetings with our customers in order to adjust expectations and continually to optimize and develop the project. All our designs are made in 3D, which gives us the possibility to use the material in our visualization software. In this software we can make short videos or presentations showing the product. Being able to visualize solutions at this stage makes it easier to take decisions on costly projects. Many of our projects are optimized by our FEM calculations. These calculations show if the construction can withstand the specified workloads. At Frecon, our goal is, through our committed employees, to turn your project into a success.